Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find spooky Halloween keywords on Canva. So maybe you need to post something about Halloween and you want to make it interesting. You can do your design on Canva, and here I'm going to show you how you can find that spooky Halloween aesthetic elements on Canva. So here you just need to open your Canva, and then here at the left panel go to elements, and I'm gonna use these three keywords. I'm gonna show you these three keywords that you can use on Canva. So the first one is pastel Halloween. So here you can see there are so many Halloween related uh elements that you can use on your design, but it is pastel, so it's kind of cute but yet it's scary. So here you can just click on the design to use one of them. So for example, I want to use this candy and also this cute ghost. You can just drag it. Oops. Okay, I'm going to go here. And the second keyword is you can just erase the pastel and replace it with vintage Halloween. Just click on enter, and here you can find some vintage real Halloween, and you can use it for your design. For example, I want to use okay, this pumpkin, of course, to put it in here like this. And also I'm going to use this bath mm, like that. And after that, the last keyword is textured Halloween. So here you can find it here, textured Halloween. Here you can also use this design. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put it in here like this. And that's basically how you can find spooky Halloween keywords on Canva. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Thank you guys.